we got another phone call from a true turd this time. Ooh, where's the air freshener?
You can end this woman's suffering right now if you answer this call.
Sounds like your grandmother's on the loose again. Better answer the phone and find out who she bit this time.
I'm the one who goes off at the movies and in those business meetings too. So would you listen to me? Won't you hear my humble plea and answer this damn phone call? What? Oh yeah!
Hello, doctor? You say my test results are back? I didn't have hemorrhoids? My cell phone was stuck up my ass? And you were calling me to tell me about it? Oh.
They say that man came from apes. Well, at least we're still not flinging poo-poo at each other to get one another's attention. Now answer that stinky phone. Hey, your mother-in-law is calling. You want me to tell her that you're not here? Ooh, there she goes again. That's right, I pinched a kid. And I'll do it again and again until you answer this phone. You hear that? That's what we hear when we stand next to you on a windy day. Now, answer your phone, stupid.
This is the only way to get a supermodel to answer her phone.
Ladies and gentlemen, for the very first time ever, we bring you the Fart Phone.
Hey, why you not answer your phone? This ain't going off in my head. Why can't you hear it? I know you can hear it. Why don't you answer your freaking phone? You want me to come out there and kick you around some? That's what I'll do, and I'll tell your friends that you got a little pee-pee.
Hooray! You actually got a phone call! I don't believe it! You really do have friends! You got a message!
Incoming transmission. Your phone is ringing. I'm rewinding your message, preparing it for playback.
Whoa, that sounds like one of your in-laws calling.
You gotta help me! Hurry up and answer the phone before this guy gets me!
How sweet, mortal meat!
Answer me. Answer me. I said answer me. I'm not going to take no for an answer. You're going to answer me. No, I don't care if I'm disturbing everything. Hey, I know people are looking at you funny. Answer me right now. Answer me. I'm going to keep going until you answer me, okay? Answer me. You got to do it.
Answer the phone, jackass.
Mrs. Chicken wants you to know that you have a message. Nah, Mrs. Chicken would like you to know you have a phone call.
Stop laughing and answer the phone! Stop laughing! Would you please? Oh my God, stop laughing! Answer the phone!
Hi, everybody. I know what that sound is. It means it's time to answer your phone.
And now, children, I'm going to tell you a story about a young person who needed to answer their phone.
Incoming transmission. Incoming transmission. Incoming transmission.
Hey, someone's trying to call you. You better answer it. Come on. Pick up the phone! 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 Pick up the phone!
Ladies and gentlemen, if you'll look down at your cell phone, you'll realize you have an incoming call.
It's not your toaster.
It's not your toaster.
It's not your microwave. It's not an oven. It's not a digital watch. Okay, so it's gotta be your cell phone. Why don't you answer it? Yeah, it's gotta be your cell phone. Come on and pick it up. Okay. Hey, what's that sound? There it goes again. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's too weird. This is freaking me out. Could somebody stop that? Ew.
Finally, something that will look good on you besides what you're wearing. A phone call. Excuse me, I thought you might find this a little bit interesting. It seems that you've got a text message.
You've received a text message.
Oi, I think you're getting a telephone call. All right, want some more incentive? Ring. How's that? Ring. Yeah, I know, this is really stupid, isn't it? Ring. All right, it's starting to get annoying. Would you please answer your phone? Ring. Oh, come on, mate.
New text message received.
Hey, baby, I know this might not be the right time and place, but guess what? You got a phone call, and it's probably from someone you like.
It appears you've received a top-secret text message. Traveling through time and space to bring you a text message.
Somebody's trying to call you right now, and wouldn't you know it, you can't answer the phone because either you're eating or you're sitting on the toilet.
Excuse me, I was wondering if maybe you could take this phone call. Otherwise, if you'd like, I can go online and answer it for you and tell someone that you're having a nervous breakdown right now. Is that all right?
Answer me, answer me, answer me quick. Somebody's looking. Answer me, answer me. Oh no, everybody's looking. Answer me, answer me, answer me quick.
Hey, I've got a great idea. Why don't you answer this phone call? And in the meantime, I'm going to make some really disgusting sounds, like this one. And of course, our favorite one. Whoa, what a gutbuster.
Hey, I got a great idea. Why don't I stand here and pick my belly button until you answer your phone? Ooh, look, a piece of lint.
This is a phone call that you don't have to answer because, well, frankly, you don't like this person anyway.
Well, once again, it's time to answer your phone. And if you don't want to answer your phone, then you don't have to answer your phone, believe me. But if you like to answer your phone, maybe you will find out who is calling you. Or if you don't want to, you can let me keep chatting and rambling on the whole time. I'll drive you insane.
All right, here it goes again. Now listen, this time if you don't answer your phone, I'm going to tell everybody you know what you get up to in the bathroom.
Ring-a-ling-ding, 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 ring-a-ling-ding.
For years I had a problem. No one wanted to talk to me. Until, of course, I finally figured it out that I needed to answer my cell phone first.
And now, your text message.
Listen, if you really care about your friends, your family, your mates, and everyone around you, do us all a bleeding favour. Answer your stinking phone.
Hey, man, can you do me a favor? Please answer your phone. I can't answer it myself. I'm just the phone. I can't push my own buttons.